देश के प्रख्यात शास्त्रीय संगीतकार एवं पारंपरिक लोक कलाकार इस भव्य समारोह की शोभा बढ़ाने के लिए आपके समक्ष लाए हैं।
And as the music rises, shift your gaze skywards as the deep reverberation of the rotor blades joins in the melody. Emerging from the skies of the Rashtrapati Bhavan are the Indian Air Force's B-71 helicopters, one directed marking the beginning of the state parade. Traveling through with the national flag is Chief Captain Alok Nilawat with Squad Leader Mohit Singh. The Army Ensign is Wing Commander Ashutosh Kandoori. Trooping the Air Force Ensign is Wing Commander Abhishek Malhotra with Squad Leader Sudeep Kumar and Squad Leader Abhishek Shukla and Wing Commander Rajat Singh are flying in the Navy Ensign. As the formation arrives overhead and the petals of devotion descend upon Kartavya Path, the parade begins in the most solemn and symbolic manner.
Ladies and gentlemen, heralding this year's Republic Day Parade is the Parade Commander, Lieutenant General Bhavish Kumar, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, a second generation officer. He was commissioned into the 3rd Battalion, the Parachute Regiment in December 1989. A seasoned field commander, he has served in high altitude areas of Dras in Kargil during Operation Raksha, counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operations in the northeast under Operation Orchid, and on the Siachen Glacier during Operation Meghdoot, besides 2 tenures with the elite 50 Independent Parachute Brigade. Currently serving as the General Officer commanding Delhi area, he leads today's parade with precision, professionalism and unwavering devotion to duty. Following him is the parade's second in command, Major General Navraj Jilat, Vishisht Seva Medal, commissioned into the 42 Armored Regiment in December 1991, a 3rd generation Army officer. He carries forward a proud legacy of service. He has commanded the 42 Armored Regiment, an Independent Armored Brigade, the School of Armored Warfare, and an operational sub-area in Northern Command, and presently serves as the Chief of Staff, Headquarters Delhi area.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत के सृजनकार और सारथी, विकसित भारत 2047 के दिग्दृष्टा, यशस्वी युग पुरुष, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के दूरदर्शी विजन के अनुरूप भारतीय सेना ऊर्ध्व संकल्पों के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है, जिसके लिए आधुनिक तकनीकी दक्षता हासिल कर स्वदेश में ही रक्षा हथियारों का निर्माण किया जाना है। कर्तव्य पथ पर प्रदर्शित इन उपकरणों में भारतीय कारीगरों का समर्पण और देश की मिट्टी की सोधी महक। घर आएगा दुश्मन की नीयत में कोई खोट, मेरी अब हुंकार बनेगी पूरी वाला हुआ प्रहार और भरपूर, जो अंत नहीं था सिर्फ पहला अध्याय था ऑपरेशन। और मंच की ओर हमारे प्रेरणाकुल वीरता पुरस्कार विजेताओं का दस्ता सुबेदार मेजर ऑलरेडी कैप्टन योगेंद्र सिंह यादव और सेवानिवृत्त सुबेदार मेजर ऑलरेडी